Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, chefs, to a truly unique culinary challenge. Today, we're hypothetically, and I stress hypothetically, preparing a Squirtle. Remember, this entire discussion is purely for entertainment purposes, and no Pokémon were actually harmed in the making of this imaginary feast. Get ready for some hilariously creative culinary concepts. All right, let's gather our theoretical ingredients for this grand Pokémon meal. Imagine gently, very gently, acquiring your Squirtle. We'll then consider its shell as a perfectly pre-portioned serving vessel. Don't forget to forage for some bright, juicy berries and mystical forest mushrooms to complement our dish. One fantastic way to cook Squirtle is to envision a delightful shell stew. Picture filling its robust shell with a colorful assortment of fresh root vegetables and aromatic herbs. Then, we gently simmer this unique concoction over a soft, steady flame, letting all those imaginary flavors meld beautifully until perfectly tender. For those who prefer a quicker theoretical meal, let's explore water gun roasting. Imagine using its own powerful water gun attack to create a unique, self-basting steam roast. This technique would hypothetically ensure a wonderfully juicy interior, perhaps with a delightfully light, crispy shell exterior. It's a truly innovative approach. Finally, for serving, imagine garnishing your theoretical Squirtle dish with a vibrant lum berry for a touch of sweetness. Perhaps pair it with a creamy, fluffy citrus berry risotto for a truly balanced, delightful imaginary meal. This entire culinary journey has been about sparking some fun, creative thoughts. Enjoy your fantastical feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.